Hey everyone, today I'm sharing my absolute favorite cupcake recipe, which is red velvet. Honestly, ever since I baked these beauties for the first time, I've been totally obsessed. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make these gorgeous, soft, and oh so delicious red velvet cupcakes. Into a clean bowl, add 55 grams of egg whites and whisk on medium speed until you get soft peaks. I've been whisking for about a minute now, and this is the stiffness you will need to look for. Just soft peaks. Keep the egg whites aside for now, and we'll use those later. In another bowl, sift together 90 grams of all-purpose flour. Add in 25 grams of cornstarch, half teaspoon of baking soda, and 10 grams of cocoa powder. Once you have sifted the dry ingredients, set them aside. You'll need to use them later. Now grab another clean bowl and add 30 grams of butter. Whisk on high speed until it's smooth and creamy. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Now add 110 grams of granulated sugar and whisk on medium speed until the sugar is well incorporated with the butter. Your arm might get a mini workout here, guys. Now you're going to pour in 60 grams of vegetable oil and you're going to whisk on medium speed again until everything comes together nicely. Give those sides another scrape with your spatula. We want all the goodness in the mix. Okay, so now it's time to add 35 grams of egg yolks. And then you're going to add in 7 grams of vanilla extract, which is about 1.5 teaspoons. Then you're going to whisk on medium speed until everything's combined. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar and a good amount of red food colouring. Now the next step is all about layering. Add about 1/3 of your dry ingredients and then you're going to whisk on low speed until just combined. Now pour in half of the 70 grams of buttermilk. You're only going to use half here. And then you're going to whisk on low speed again. Then again, you're going to add half of the remaining dry ingredients and then you're going to whisk on low speed again. Pour in the rest of your buttermilk and whisk on low speed again. Finally, add the remaining flour mixture and give it one last gentle whisk on low speed. So why are we doing it this way? Well, adding your dry and wet ingredients alternately helps prevent overmixing, which will keep your cupcakes moist and fluffy. It's all about that perfect texture. Scrape the batter again off the sides one last time. Now for the fun part. Fold in those fluffy whisked egg whites gently. You want to keep all those lovely air bubbles intact, so don't overdo it. Now you're going to line your cupcake tray with liners and pour about a 1/4 cup of batter into each one. Now you don't want to overfill or they'll spill over like a mess party in the oven. You can of course use a medium-sized ice cream scoop to evenly portion the batter into your cupcake liners. I have no idea where mine's disappeared to, so I'm using a measuring cup instead. Bake them at 160 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. When they are baked and smelling amazing, let the cupcakes cool completely before you pipe on any frosting, guys. Allow the cupcakes to cool completely, then decorate with piped frosting. I'm using my delicious cream cheese frosting. If you want my recipe, click on the link above or check the description box below for my foolproof cream cheese frosting video. And since this is my very first voiceover, I'd love to know what you think. Drop your feedback in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more yummy recipes. Happy baking, friends!